Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the review of Masters of the Universe Origins Stridor. As you can see, it's there in the box. I picked this up at Toys R Us here in Ontario. Now let's look at the box and the figure in the box. All the artwork. Modern posing. Retro play. Look at the artwork. And He-Man on Stridor in the picture. And there's Fisto and there's Skeletor on the Rodan. If I got it wrong, sorry, and I forget this bird's name. Alright. But the artwork is beautiful. It's just beautiful. Really beautiful. There's the back of the box. Castle Grayskull. He-Man Stridor again. And that bird, yeah. I haven't watched a cartoon in so long, so yeah. And there's your figures you can get. There's Terraclaws, Skeletor, Flying Fist, He-Man, Sorceress, Buzz-Off, Jitsu, Stridor, comic version Stratos. I can't wait to get these two. Or these two. I rather the other version of Stratos, but I like the white version of Sorceress that comes with Castle Grayskull. And from when I was a kid, I never had He-Man riding Stridor. I had Fisto riding Stridor. Yeah, always had. There's a sword. I guess this is gonna be a little bit more of a review of Stridor and Fisto. Alright, I like the detail of Fisto. He was my favorite when I was growing up next to He-Man. Well, because my mom got him for me, and yeah, he was the other good guy I had. Yeah, but all in all, Stratos. I never had Stratos. It's just they flew, and I liked them in the cartoon and all that. But the toys, I never had Stratos, so I had He-Man, and I had this. But you know, your parents get rid of your 80s toys when you're growing up. So yeah, Fist turns, yeah, like that. Do a 190 degree, almost. This does come off. Alright, there's this ankle twist, this twist, knee bend. Can he kick his butt? No, he can't kick his butt. Can he do the Van Damme? Pretty much. Oh, this hurts. Oh. And then, you know, his feet come off, right, you know, and everything. And he got the Darth Maul. He got the Darth Maul. Now, if you guys watch episode 1 of Star Wars, you know what I mean, right? When they showed that, it's all I thought. I was like, look, they all get him the Darth Maul. But yeah, he's really cool. There's another reviewer of Fisto and original Fisto from the 1983 cartoon when he first came out, the toy by Michael Mercy. Suggest you check him out. Really great reviewer here in Ontario. So, anyhow, and I'm rambling on. I like the silver. It's really, really nice. The detail, it's, you know. So anyways, so there you are. Gonna fall? No, you're gonna stay. That's good. So, well, let's get on with this. All right, so yeah, I will be back in 1 minute. Forgot my knife. All right, less than a minute. There we go. So, if you now, I like to keep the box, but I just ripped it. But yeah, I love this. This artwork is just beautiful. I might just cut this and keep this. It's kind of sad that these guys, they put all this artwork and all that, and then yeah, I'm ripping the box. So there's that end. That in there. Alright, so let's get it out. If I can. If you want. Alrighty then. Done. So there you go. There he is. And now I use. What the heck? Sorry, that just. What is that? It's like a little blue piece of plastic. Looks like a part of his eye or something. It's not. I don't think it's cardboard. Alright, so I use toenail clippers to clip the plastic ties. If I can reach in. So, yeah, like that. That. Sometimes getting the elastic bands is really hard. Said sometimes. You know what? I think there we go. I went on to do that one. Oh, okay, so I guess turn it like this on its side and can he come out of his plastic prism now? Nope, sorry. As you see, I missed his nose and his other leg. No, right here. So, see, because I'm not paying attention. There's that. There we go. Oh my goodness gracious, they couldn't put tape on this? See, I thought, whatever. What can you do? This, I pretty much put in a drawer. Same with the blast effects. Unless I'm doing a video or something and this. Okay. Like I said, sometimes this goes easy and sometimes it don't. sorry about that. Alright, you know what? Oh my goodness gracious. There we go. Done. Alright. You're finally free. Yay, I'm free! So those are the reins. There's the nice base. Yeah, see all these white flakes on the plastic? Okay, now I'll review it later, but I got the Castle Grayskull, and I had it sitting somewhere before I put it on a shelf, and I looked, there's all the same white things on it, and I didn't think I didn't notice them before. So, I don't know. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good on it. It don't. The white stuff. To me, what it looks like is white paint. Well, I mean, it is probably white paint, but you know, when you're painting and the white paint drips on stuff, that's what it looks like. It looks like they took a paintbrush and they went like this and just, you know, it doesn't look good. It does not look good. And it's even on the bottom, sorry. But yeah, it doesn't look good. And yeah, it's just ridiculous. Alright, so there's that. Okay. Sorry, Stridor. Okay. Oh, ooh, look at this ratchet. Hey, look at that. Nice ratchet. Oh, only the back legs? Okay. Oh. So I'll put you off. We'll put you on your stand right now. Oh, I know what these things are. Sorry, I thought, well, to me, it looked like plastic. So they're from this. Well, hey, I didn't know. Okay, this is easy to get out. Are the guns? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll use this part. You try and get this out. Okay, it's not working. Maybe I'm going to try. There we go. Ah, that fell on the floor. There we go. Got him out. One. Just gotta find the other one. All right. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoa. Okay. All right. There we go. Got his other head mask off. His mask. Now, I don't know. Are these? Yeah, I'm feeling it with my hands. So instead of getting the knife, use this part, I guess. Sorry everyone, I'm just trying to figure out how these are in here. Ah, there we go. Well, this is garbage, so